Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about some of the stuff that you might be needing to do to your computers on a regular basis but might not be doing it because you forgot. Updates are one of those things that need to happen on a regular basis. And I know you can set up automatic updates to happen, but they still need to be checked. There's things that don't always get marked because of they're either feature updates or they're driver updates, or there's some other updates that operating system really doesn't take a look at or take those into account. Some other things are to also clean up cache files. You know, sounds like money, but it really isn't. It's files that just get downloaded and stored on your computer that you only need temporarily. Other things you need to take a look at are cleaning up some of the temp files and antivirus, making sure that that's up to date, making sure that it's scanning, making sure that your files are getting backed up. There's a whole slew of things that you need to do, and we're going to talk more about those in our training this upcoming Tuesday. So hopefully you guys can join that. We'll discuss more in depth about all this stuff. Also, we have a product called System Care that goes through and does a lot of this stuff for you, so you don't have to worry about it. We just kind of set it, and you set it and forget it, and we on the back end, we sit and monitor it and take care of it and do the updates and everything, so you don't have to worry about if your machine's up to date or current or being scanned for viruses, or is the hard drive working too hard, or all kinds of things. So anyway, some things to think about when you're on your computer. There's lots of maintenance that needs to be done. It's kind of like oil changes for your car. If you do them on a regular basis, everything seems to run smoothly. If you forget it for a while, like I did on one of my cars, you might end up throwing a rod. Who knew? So anyway, you guys stay safe out there, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. And remember, at 303 Tech, we like to keep you simply connected. Thank you.